Welcome back, my friends, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I know I was in and out and not on it last week. My life got crazy, but hopefully we are back to normal this week. But today's job lead is from the YMCA. Of course, the links to all the pages I'm sharing are linked in the YouTube description box below this video. I just always ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button, and please share with all your friends and family so we can all just live our happiest, healthiest life working from home. Now, the YMCA Glassdoor page has 19,000 reviews with an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an associate services and customer support. So this is going to be on the phone customer support. They have it marked in multiple places that YMCA of the USA is a work from anywhere in the US workplace. So they don't have any state restrictions. They are paying anywhere from $40,800 a year all the way up to $54,400 a year. There's 52 weeks in a year, so that $54,000 mark is a little over $1,000 a week. They are accepting resumes up till November 17th. So you've got about 10 days or so to get that resume in. But they're basically looking for somebody to provide email, telephone, and web-based support to YMCA customers, including staff, students, and volunteers on the YUSA's self-service applications, resources, and tools. So you're going to have to provide some technical support and troubleshooting for people trying to use these online tools and websites. You'll also give the problem a resolution and educate the customer on how to use all the things they're trying to do. You'll be the primary processor of system tasks that are not fully automated by the application system, processing non-automated functions within the system as well. So it's just an all-around customer support position. On top of the pay, they are offering a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, all the things. While some college coursework is preferred, it's not required, just a high school diploma or GED, 1 to 2 years of customer service experience. Of course, you've got to have great communication skills, basic typing skills, and basic computer skills like being able to use those Microsoft Office systems, great attention to detail, and they want somebody who has experience working with system documentation, so entering notes into the system about what you did, such as use cases, user stories, and support documentation. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.